Hello, my name is Parag Shade. I am in Tech from 2019, Master in Data Security Science, and I came from Maharashtra as a part of Mumbai and Aurangabad, and it's a really beautiful place for that I came from. Before coming into ISAP, I was a little bit shy to come. This was my first time I came out of India, and I was a little bit nervous whether people will speak English or how will I cope up with the French culture. But once I came over here, Madam Kathleen and Mosi Matambo helped me a lot with respect to my French language. Also, Melly ma'am encouraged me to speak French, to integrate French culture. So it was a good environment to work over here. I live in Centerville of Angers. It's almost take 50 minutes from bicycle, and mostly like first time I came by bus, then I moved to a cycle. So it's take 50 minutes from Centerville to the school. And 2 months internship in Spain in a Europa connection as a web search engineer, as a web search engine optimization as a database administrator. So mostly I help the company with respect to of database, with respect to of their the AI chatbot I built, a small model of it, and I cope up with the companies, and now it's give practical knowledge to work in real environment. While if you talk about COVID, it was really hard for all of the students as well as for teachers. We work very hard very hard to work with the online teaching classes, and it was a good platform to integrate with the student and teacher. We always ask the doubt if we face any issue with respect to of online issues, or with respect of our hard copy of the submission of the issue. But everything was online and was successfully implemented. And semester 3 is really work on the school cultures and work or in our debt studies, and it helps to work on. Okay, yeah, I found an internship in the Digit in the 6 months internship in the data engineering. So mostly I will be working with the AWS data lake, and with respect to of a customer, whether the customer real time scenarios. So I will be helping them to cope up with the solutions, and this app school helped a lot in this situation. For example, this app always have a alumni platform to always post their job in the alumni platform, so we can give the interview, or we can post our doubt, and we can get reply from it. Yes, obviously, I will recommend to other students to come over here to do the Master Data Security Science, because we have a different kinds of master courses. For example, in these courses we have a networking, we have a security, we have a database administrator, we have a big data science. So this course has covered all the backgrounds to work on it. Bonjour, je m'appelle Parag Shade. Je suis étudiant à l'ICEP. L'ICEP école, c'est bien pour moi parce qu'il est beaucoup de technologies utilisées pour le développement, pour mon compétence. À bientôt à l'ICEP.